Welcome to my channel Yoruba Gode, and if this is the first time of meeting me, this is the platform where we learn about Yoruba culture, Yoruba literature, and the grammar aspect of Yoruba language. Just do well to subscribe. So much love it, give it a thumbs up, and then follow us as we teach ourselves how to speak and write Yoruba this time around, because we are discussing on the grammar aspects of Yoruba language. Today in this video, we just want to discuss on two-letter words, formation of two-letter words, and that is the combination of consonant sounds and vowel sound. When we combine the two together, definitely it will give us meaningful words. Ẹ̀yára wa nílé, gbogbo ń tàn sọ náà ni wípé a fẹ́ lọ sí ọ̀rọ̀ onílẹ́tà méjì. Ìgbà tá bá mú àwọn lẹ́tà méjì yìí papọ̀ ló máa fún wa ní ọ̀rọ̀ tó ní ìtumọ̀. Kí làwọn lẹ́tà méjì tá fẹ́ kó papọ̀ yìí? Àwọn náà ni ìró kọ́nsọ́náǹtì àti ìró fáwẹ́lì. Ìró méjèèjì yìí mo ti ṣiṣẹ́ lórí wọn lẹ́ẹ̀kan rí fún wa nígbà tí mo ń kọ́ wa ní álífábẹ́ẹ̀tì èdè Yorùbá. A fi kí ìró méjèèjì yé wa dáadáa ká lè dá àwọn lẹ́tà yìí mọ̀. Tá bá ti ń kó wọn papọ̀ àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ èdè Yorùbá náà nìyẹn. Tá bá ti ń kọ wọ́n sílẹ̀ àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní kọ èdè Yorùbá sílẹ̀ náà nìyẹn. Ó yá o, ẹ jẹ́ ká wọnú iṣẹ́ tó ní lọ. Like I've rightly said, is that when we have a consonant sound plus a vowel, when you pronounce it, it will give you two-letter words, meaningful word. And when you write it down, that it means you are learning how to write Yoruba down. Let's go. We want to look at the consonant sound. Just pick any letter from the consonant sound. Now we want to add it to vowel sound, and this our vowel sound, I will just begin to take it one by one as we have all our vowel sounds. You know, vowel sound are in two ways. We have the normal vowel, we have the nasal vowel. We will talk on the two type of vowels together plus a consonant to give us meaningful words. Let's take li as example. Consonant sound, li plus a vowel, li plus a, la. Just pronounce it as you call it. Li, a, la. Li, a, la. Let's use another consonant. Ri. Now, ri, a, ra. Let's use another consonant. We plus a, wa. We, a, wa. La, wa. Under vowel sound, a. Ẹ̀yin ọ̀rẹ́ wa ńlé, àwọn tá a bá mú wí, tá a bá fi mọ́ a fún wa ní wa. Tá a bá mú lí, tá a bá fi mọ́ a fún wa ní la. Tá a bá mú rí, tá a bá fi mọ́ a fún wa ní wa. Bá a ti ń kọ́ yẹn, a ti ń kọ èdè Yorùbá nìyẹn o. Bàbá dẹ̀ ń sọ jáde lẹ́nu, a ti ń sọ èdè Yorùbá nìyẹn. La, wa, ra, two-letter words. Two-letter words. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tún wo bí ìgbà tá a tún mú kí tá a fi mọ́ e. Kí ló fún wa? K. Kí. A, K, we, A, we. All I'm saying is just match these two words together. Consonant, vowel. Ki plus A, K, to cry. K, cry. We plus A, we, to tie. You tie a hair tie. We. G plus E, jẹ tàbí jẹ. Jẹ, eat. Jẹ, eat. The other words that we have said, li plus o, lo, to go. Lo, to go. Li plus a, la, to lick. La, to lick. We plus a, wa, to come. Wa, come. Wa, come. Lo, go. La, lick. Now we come to A. Ki plus A, K, cry. K, cry. We, tie. We, tie. Now we move to E. G plus E, je. Je, 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 eat. We plus E, we. We, we. Have your bait yourself. Bait, we. G plus E, we move to E now as a vowel. G, 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 awake. G, awake. G, awake. I think you are following me. We are talking about 2-letter words that will give us meaningful words. Ki plus E, ki. Ki, ki. Ri plus E, ri. Ri. Mi plus E, mi. 2-letter words. Now let's go to O. G plus O, jo. Mi plus O, mo. Ki plus O, ko. 2-letter words. When you just pronounce it together, as you pronounce the alphabet words, letter, just match the two together. Ki, o, ko. Ri, o, ro. You can see I've started using all the alphabets. A, E, I, O. And let's go to O. When we see we plus O, wo, wo, wo. Li plus O, lo, lo. We are forming words. When we now get to U, ha, we can use U plus our consonants like ki plus U, ku, ku. Li plus U, lu. Ku, die. Lu, beat. Ri plus U, ru. To steer a thing. Ru. You can see, friends, it's so easy to join words together as you pronounce and write, you are doing two things together. You are learning how to speak the word, the language, and you are writing as well. Li plus o, lo. You speak it out, you write it down. We plus a, wa. You speak it out, you write it down. You can see Yoruba is so easy to speak and to write. We are on 2-letter words. From here, you just graduate to 3-letter words. From there, we move on to 4-letter words. You begin to speak word. And all of these words, we can put it together to form a sentence. Meaningful sentence. Short sentence. That we will move on to in another video. But today, we have seen how we can match consonants and vowel to give us just one word and 2-letter word. We are 2 letters to give us one word, wa. That is the start. When you begin with all of this and your normal vowel and consonant sound, a, lo. That's a sentence, very short one. From this, your letter and 2-letter words. A, de, 2-letter words. A, your normal sound. De, d, a. O, lo, o, normal sound. Li plus o, lo. You can say I'm giving you these short sentences on 2-letter words and your normal alphabet. Plus, the margin just two together. Give you meaningful word, give you meaningful sentence. I hope you have learned something today. If you like it, just thumbs up, subscribe. More of it will come your way in my next video. Bye. See you next time.